Ultra buttery, melt-in-your-mouth pastry crumb that gives way to a sweet and tangy, delicious pineapple jam filling. The pastry comes together easily. No creaming needed. Roll the pineapple jam into balls, each weighing 10 grams. Cover loosely with cling wrap and let these sit in the chiller while making the pastry dough. Sift together cake flour, corn flour, confectioner's sugar, cut the chilled butter into cubes. With your fingertips, rub butter cubes into the flour mixture until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. While rubbing, keep lifting the flour well up in the bowl. This allows air in between and prevents the butter from softening too much. Add the yolks. Mix lightly until the mixture comes together into a soft and smooth dough. Roll the dough into balls, each weighing 10 grams. Chill for 10 minutes before filling. Flatten a ball of dough between your palms. Place a ball of pineapple jam filling in the center. Enclose the filling and gently roll between your palms to smoothen and shape into a golf ball tart. Place on a baking tray lined with baking paper, spacing the tarts an inch, 2 centimeters apart. Place the tray in the chiller for 10 to 15 minutes before baking. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 150 Celsius, 302 Fahrenheit. Bake in the center of the preheated oven for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the egg wash. Add 2 teaspoons of water. Add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Add 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. After 10 minutes baking, take the tray out of the oven and brush the tarts with a layer of egg wash. Bake until the tops are golden brown and the base of the tarts start to lightly brown, about 15 to 20 minutes. As the tarts bake, it is normal for cracks to appear. Do not be alarmed. This is due to the jam expanding outwards as it gets heated. Once the tarts cool, the cracks will shrink. Let baked tarts cool on the tray for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool it completely. Once completely cooled, store in an airtight container and seal tightly. The tarts will keep well for up to 3 weeks in a cool, dry area. If stored in the chiller, it will keep well up to 3 months.